What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about Baby Doge. We're going to be talking about how all of this volume is really affecting our burns. We're burning a lot of coins right now. And we're also going to be just talking about some technicals with Baby Doge. So definitely hit the like button and subscribe if you like these Baby Doge videos. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you become a member of the channel, then I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over first. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but let's go straight over Baby Doge. So as you can see here with Baby Doge, we are literally slowly but surely going back down to the support line. Now, I don't know if we'll get all the way down to the support. Maybe it'll stop halfway like where it is now. It kind of looks like it has bottomed out just a little bit. Actually, if you look at it, we're actually going on a little bit of an uptrend right here. So it kind of looks like Baby Doge has bottomed out just a little bit. So maybe we don't go all the way back down to the 1250 support, but I wouldn't be surprised because look, this whole green area shows more demand for Baby Doge. It's pretty much a support level. So if we continue to go down, we should hit that support level of 1250 with Baby Doge. Now, as you can see, 24-hour market control, it is showing the bears are in control by 80%. You can see over here on the oscillator, we do have some selling for Baby Doge going on. So yes, there is some selling. But right now, what I'm seeing here with Baby Doge, we may actually go up on a reversal here. You can actually see on the oscillator, it's starting to reverse to the upside here. Less selling is going on right now. So we're probably going to see Baby Doge get up to this resistance. So yeah, the red areas pretty much indicate resistance. It pretty much indicates less demand. So this whole red area all the way from 1800, which is 8Z18, all the way up to about 8Z19, we have less demand for Baby Doge. It'll be a little bit harder for us to break out around there. But yeah, we have the potential to break out. But yeah, that's pretty much the next levels we need to break here. And like I said, we don't know if Baby Doge is going to get all the way down to 8Z1250 because right now it's looking like it's about to go back up and retest these levels. So if we retest these levels, this is what we really need to talk about. Where we're going to go next after this. Where is the next pump going to take us with Baby Doge? So if we end up passing those levels here, let's just zoom in on Baby Doge here. And right up here, we would have pretty much the 3-1. Yeah, I know a lot of people are probably like, what? It's not going to immediately go to 3-1, which is true. It's not going to immediately go to 3-1. What's going to end up happening, Baby Doge would probably end up breaking this area here, the 1800, which will pretty much be the 8Z18 and then eventually 19. And then we'll probably end up getting stopped around 2-3. So that's actually the next target point that I'm looking at because look, we already got up to 8Z2140. So literally 2140, we already got up there. So I definitely see the potential of us getting all the way up here to 2-3 next. So we would end up hitting that 2-3 area, right? And then from there, we have our resistance as we had previously back here. So obviously we got the 2-3-2-4. And then remember what we had before we started to go down on this downtrend. We are actually pretty solid around 2-5-9-3, pretty much 2-6. Like, let's just add it up there. Pretty much 2-6. We had a lot of resistance there. We had a really hard time to, stay above that area, and we could not get past that area. And actually, if you look back here, that was a significant support line for us. The second we went below it was the second that we started to go on a negative trend for Baby Doge. You can actually see it here. And that's when we had that huge sell-off, right? As it went down below 2.6, that's this literally the second it started to go down. So that's a pretty significant level that we have here in Baby Doge. So what you want to watch out for next is that level. So if you actually look over here at Baby Doge, let's actually scroll up so we can see this. So if we break that 2.2, we're gonna go up to 2.5, 2.6. If it breaks 2.6, it will literally immediately, and when I say immediately, I mean immediately go all the way up to 3.2 because that's a significant line of resistance. If we go up there, 3.2 is the next target, pretty much the next target price. So yeah, 3.2, next target price for Baby Doge inside of our bullish movements. Obviously, we have to get past 2.2 to get there. So this is a significant resistance as well. We want to keep watching 2.2, and it's really 2.3 because it's 2.297 or 2.290, somewhere around there. But yeah, it's 2.3. We need to get past that resistance level, and that'll be that resistance level that ends up bringing us to 2.5. And if we can break, or I mean 2.6, if we can break past 2.6, then you're going to see Baby Doge get up to 3.2. So those are our next levels for the bullish momentum. That's if we're bullish here with Baby Doge. Let's talk about if Baby Doge becomes bearish. Where would we go after that? So first things first, I did do the whole technical analysis yesterday, so you could watch that video yesterday. But look, pretty much this is a huge area of support for us, 1250. We already know 1250 is really big for support. So let's go ahead and take this off because this was our technical from yesterday. So look, We go down to 1250 if we go bearish, right? Now, when we hit that 1250 area, that's when you want to start watching for your new levels. So if we break down below 1250, the next area of support for Baby Doge will literally be 1-0. So if we break down below 1250, you'll see Baby Doge at 8Z10. So you really don't want to see it that low, but that's going to be the next area if we break below 1250. And then the next area after 1250 will be 945. But remember, if we did break down below this area before 1250, we would end up probably trying to retest this resistance all the way up here. We would end up trying to retest the resistance at 1.8. If we broke down to about 1250, it would try to retest that resistance and see where it goes from there. And if we can't break that resistance, then that's when you'll see Baby Doge going down to 10, pretty much 8Z10. So that is when you would see that downtrend. That's if we become bearish, and then eventually you'll see 9.5 after Baby Doge tries to retest this 1250 area again. But honestly, I think we're actually going to become bullish just with the way everything's been going with Baby Doge. Literally, they're not doing anything to promote Baby Doge. It's just literally promoting itself. And that's kind of how Baby Doge is. Like, look, they're not doing anything special on Twitter. They're just showing that it's trending on Twitter. And I know there was a little sneak peek on the Baby Doge NFT, or I mean the Baby Doge inside the metaverse, but that's not even big. Let's be completely honest. This isn't what made us pump. This was literally yesterday, but we were pumping before yesterday. So I don't know what it was that kind of brought us up, but I think it's the whole Baby Doge army just coming together and buying more Baby Doge and really just pushing Baby Doge out there. And also, you got to think about what just now happened inside of India. So literally, they just now had Baby Doge on the news inside of India, and that's the largest Indian news channel. And India is like the third largest country. So this is actually pretty significant. I don't know if India is the third or the second largest country. I don't know, something like that. By population, they're like the second, I think, because it goes China, India, and then the US, I think. But anyways, something like that. But this is huge because there's a lot of people inside of India. So yeah, this is really big for Baby Doge. And actually, if you go back here and you look at Baby Doge, when we pretty much started pumping, it was literally the day that happened. So yeah, that's pretty funny that the day we got listed, not listed, but put on the largest Indian news channel, Baby Doge starts pumping. So yeah, a lot of money is flowing through India into Baby Doge. Like whether you want to like it or not, this is kind of what's happening. So actually, you look here. This was actually posted on the 14th right here, and you can actually see Baby Doge starts to pump on the 13th. And then this is when India is starting to get big on Baby Doge. It started to go down a little bit, but then we started to get more and more and more people coming into Baby Doge. So there is a lot of people from Baby Doge in India. So big shout out to all of the Indian Baby Doge people out there. Big shout out to you all. Definitely helping the Baby Doge army out here grow. But yeah, there's a lot of good stuff going on with Baby Doge, just all behind the scenes. So we're just waiting for it. And obviously, our smart contracts to be finished for like the wallet, the debit card, all the other good stuff we got coming out, the swap. So yeah, we had a lot of good stuff coming out for Baby Doge. Anyways, our holders are still increasing by big time. You can actually see over here 1.5 million holders, 1.547 million, which is 1,547,683 holders. We're getting so many holders every day, almost at 1.55 million, and then we'll be at 1.6 million soon. So that's pretty nice. Now, the whole crypto market is kind of trying to recover right now, but it's not looking too good for Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is about to probably try to retest this area up here around 34,000 if it can continue to pump. Because look, outside of this consolidation, we pretty much went on a downtrend. Now we're trying to regain what we lost in Bitcoin, but I think right now what's going to happen, Bitcoin's probably going to end up getting rejected. Probably not even going to end up getting all the way up to 34K. I mean, it might, but I definitely think we're going to get rejected and sent back down to this support all the way down here. But yeah, that's pretty much what I got for the technicals for you all. Now, over here, we got the burns. Literally, with all this volume coming in for Baby Doge, the burns are getting massive. I wish Whale Watcher Finance was working right now because Whale Watcher Finance shows it like very nicely and it's very well put together. But this website does it very good as well too. It's called Crypti. Big shout out to Ultra 243, but Crypti. So yeah, shout out to Ultra 243 for showing this. But yeah, there's a lot of money flowing through Baby Doge. A lot of money is getting burnt. But over here you see 20 hours ago, in the last 24 hours, it was 128K burned in Baby Doge. That's a lot of Baby Doge. If you look over here, it shows you the circulating supply and it shows you how much was pretty much burnt. So that was 74.4 trillion. Look, This is million, billion, trillion. 74.4 trillion baby Doge was literally burnt in one day. So yeah, we're doing big numbers with baby Doge. Right now, though, currently we only have about 21 trillion burnt in the past day now, because that one that I just showed was 20 hours ago. But now in the past day, we're at 21 billion burnt, or 21 trillion. So yeah, as you can see, million, billion, trillion. So that's 21 trillion burnt. We're getting closer and closer and closer to a lower circulating supply. We're currently at 227.2 million circulating supply. Everyone has a different number. I don't know why it's different everywhere. It's weird, but roughly it's somewhere around there. Let's be honest, it's somewhere around there. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But yeah, definitely go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. If you become a member of the channel, I'll go over any crypto that you want me to go over first. And also, if you want to help support the channel, just like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm going to be coming with more and more videos. I'm trying to get more and more videos out. I know I put a lot of baby Doge videos out. A lot of people want me to go over other things, and I've been getting a lot of different requests. So I will try to get out as many different type of videos as well. So let me know in the comment section. I'll go over the technical analysis for any of them. I'll even do some fundamental analysis. I'll probably end up doing a BitGert video next, because a lot of people really like that. And I think BitGert has some really huge potential, especially with its own blockchain and all that. It has huge potential, and there's going to be coins built up under that. So I'll be going over a lot of new stuff in the future. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.